Fahim Shaheen English Practice. Welcome to my channel. Here's a simple English speaking practice paragraph about my best friend that you can read and repeat aloud. My best friend. My best friend name is Jia and we have been friends for almost 5 years. We first met in school and from that day we became very close. She is kind, honest and always ready to help others. Jia is very good in her studies and always motivates me to work hard. We sit together and share our books and notes. At lunch break we enjoy eating together and talking about funny things. She has a great sense of humor and she can make me laugh even when I am feeling sad. We also spend time together after school. Sometimes we go for a walk, watching movies or do shopping. On weekends, we like to visit each other's home. Jia is a good listener and always understands my problems. Whenever I feel upset, she gives me advice and cheers me up. I can share my secrets with her because I know she will never tell anyone. She is very responsible and always keeps her promises. I admire her confidence and positive attitude toward life. I have learned many good things from her, like patience, honesty, and hard work. I feel very lucky to have such a wonderful friend. I hope our friendship stays strong forever. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one.